Now, first warning weather with Jim Spencer.
Well, let's begin with the big picture here. First of all, you can see in the metro area right now, we don't have much going on. On our Viper radar, though, look off to the east at this huge area of rain and thunderstorms that is spreading to the east. Now, part of it in Fayette County is pretty strong. We'll take a closer look at that in a minute. We've had several tornado touchdowns down southeast of San Antonio, Kingsville area. They've been little rope tornadoes, haven't reported or seen any reports of any significant damage. But again, as we look back at the local area, a little lull in the action in the metro area right now. Let's take a closer look down here in Fayette County. You folks are seeing a pretty strong thunderstorm move through the southern part of the county from Flatonia to Schulenburg. That's headed up toward LaGrange, and there is a lot of what we call precipitable water in the air. In other words, a lot of moisture is in the atmosphere right now, and so these storms are likely to be producing some very, very heavy downpours of rainfall in those red areas there. And that's moving north of I-10, be heading right up into the LaGrange area. You folks are under an urban and small stream flood advisory right now, but we'll be monitoring the situation in case that translates to a flash flood warning anytime soon. Okay, let's go back west of the metro area where the other area of action is going on this afternoon here in our central Texas area. And from Gillespie County westward down into southwestern parts of Gillespie County and Kerr County, very heavy rainfall. It may not look like a whole lot here on the radar, but again, there is a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. These storms have put down more than 2.5 inches of rain in just 1 hour up near Harper. That's moving into southeastern Mason County. And then down at Kerrville, we had reports of over an inch of rain in 10 minutes. 1 inch of rain in 10 minutes. That is a rainfall rate of 6 inches per hour. Now, it's moving. They didn't get 6 inches out of that, but that's how hard that rain was falling. It must have been just a blinding rainfall. We'll look at the bigger picture when it comes to what's coming our way in a minute. I want to give you the update on the severe thunderstorm watch. It includes all of our area until 8 o'clock tonight. So far, we haven't seen severe storms. The atmosphere a little stable right now in terms of severe storm development. Large hail-damaging winds and deadly lightning, though, are always possible in a severe thunderstorm watch situation. So we'll be monitoring that. And our whole area is under a flash flood watch. And again, you folks in Gillespie County are under flash flood warning until 6 o'clock tonight. Well, here comes that low. We have been tracking it for days and telling you how slow moving it would be. It's now rotating over the Big Bend area. 2 big clusters of storms have flared up today. Austin in a little alley right in the middle. But we believe this development on the Rio Grande right now, down here on the Mexico border, will be the main wave of storms that blows up and moves across our area as we go into the evening hours, producing additional heavy rainfall. Our computer model brings that activity up close to the metro or into the metro area by 8 o'clock tonight. As we go through the night, it moves on off in the middle of the morning. Things improve a little bit. Tomorrow morning, a few showers still possible around rush hour. Then as we go through the day, maybe a thunderstorm flaring up. But once the upper low is overhead, you don't tend to get real heavy rain. You don't tend to get severe weather all that much. Maybe some hail with that real cold air aloft. Then on Saturday, maybe even a few what we call wraparound showers, so we'll have to be aware of that possibility. All right, new rainfall totals with this system coming in tonight. 3+ in Bastrop, 2.5 in Fayette County, 2.5 in the metro area, a little less out to the west. 0.9's underestimating there in Gillespie County and Fredericksburg by the computer models. Now, this is the human intervention here with what we're expecting. General 2 to 3 inch rainfall totals. This is down a little bit from what we were talking about yesterday. 3 inches plus from the Austin area southward, 1 to 2 back to the northwest. Now, could there be some isolated 4, 5, 6 inch totals? Absolutely. That's why we'll be tracking this very, very carefully as we go through the night and while we're letting you know about, reminding you about the dangers of flash flooding. 72 degrees out there right now around the area, low 70s. Let's check the current weather in Austin. Cloudy to partly cloudy and 72. Winds are 13 to 15 miles per hour right now. Wanted to show you the pollen count today. Wow, put a mask on. 14,000 mold, but that was it. 75 tonight, the low temperature. Tomorrow we'll look at a high temperature of about 65, I should say, the low tonight. Tomorrow we'll look at 75 for the high temperature. Rain continuing tomorrow, a slight chance of a lingering shower Saturday, and then we may see some more next week the way it's looking right now.